Stop eating junk food all the time, you dumbass! Now I'm inflamed! Eat more fiber or deal with disease! Stop drinking bullshit! You skipped water again and now minerals are hardening inside me! These stones hurt! Drink water regularly before I turn this into pain! You're raising pressure every day and making me work overtime, asshole! Move more and ease the salt before I crack! You dumbass keep burning me from the inside and lying down after eating! Acid is coming up because you won't let me rest! Every sugar rush forces me to work harder. I'm pumping non-stop insulin. Cut the sugar before I burn out. You keep dumping alcohol on me and expect me to stay clean. I'm overloaded and storing fat. Slow down or I start failing. You overload me with fat and never help me flush it out. Stones are forming and this pressure hurts. You barely fill me with air and flood me with irregular breathing. Take deeper breaths and give me clean air before I choke your ass.